Hi there. I'm going to do the hands-on overview for this Modern Sniper. This is a game which is type of shooting game here. And if I open this one and go to the game, this is the Modern Sniper. Here the game opens here. Right, I'll zoom a little bit. And here is the Modern Sniper starts, and this is the story mode, endless mode, and here are more games. And I also got an achievement. I already downloaded this game, and here, yeah, I got one prize. And if I move from this one and it start a level, this is the second level, all clear. This one you have to shoot all the persons who are here. They are all our enemies, and we have to shoot and kill them all. And I'll show you how to control this one, the gun. Here we'll be having a gun. This is the gun. This is with silencer and without silencer. When we start up this one, here there is the option to zoom in. Without zooming you cannot shoot anyone because they are too much far away. So we have to zoom them, and we have to target like this. Zoom. There is a zoom back button. Front here, zoom up, down, zooming. And after this we have to shoot them. This is a respiration. This is the breathing thing which can be made him to slow down. As you can see, this moves down, moves the screen from down to up. When we give this option, it will stop him to this one. It will stop him to move like that. And it takes loading somewhat time. And if I give this one, it stops him. So we can shoot them accurately. And I'll try to shoot one of them. Yeah. Here. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm not having any bullet, so I have to purchase a bullet. Which bullet I'll purchase? Yeah, I'll purchase this bullet. That's all. I'm having now 100 bullets. So I'll be reloading this one, and again zooming, close up, and again I have to shoot him. Wait, he comes here, and he stops in a place where I can shoot him. It'll be comfortable for me. Here he stops. That's all. Headshot. And all others will be knowing about you, and they will start shooting like this. Yeah, first this person I shoot him, and then next this person. You have to be quick because the time is also very less, and you have to shoot everyone who are there in your way. Then there are also no obstacles. I had consumed more time, so the time is also very less, so I cannot defeat all these ones. So I'm going to defeat this level. They are going to defeat me. That's all. Time over. Then if I move to this one, the time is out. So I think so I have to give only this one. Only 1 hour 40 minutes is the maximum. Sorry, 1 minute 40 seconds is the maximum time for shooting a person. All persons you have to kill within that 1 minute 40 seconds. I'll zoom in a person where he is. I don't know. Yeah, here. He's the main person who's known as Steven Taylor. I'll zoom him. I'll shoot him now. That's all. Headshot. The time is going on, and you have to quickly shoot everyone. And here is a person who cannot be found. This is the toughest one, and he has to be found out with caution, because shooting him is very tough. No, see here, as he is in a hidden position, so hitting him is very tough. If we move on to others, we can kill them, but last you should be keeping him on eye on him, because it is shooting very tough. See, time is going and energy also wasting, so I have to shoot him first. Wait, the reloading takes place for 30 seconds, I think so. I don't know the correct time. Yeah, I have to shoot him, aim him and shoot him, that's all. Like this I have to shoot everyone who are shooting me back. Only 33 seconds more. I think so enemy's power had weakened. That's all. 3 headshots continuously. Then this is the last person. He's very tough to shoot. Take breathing. Oh my god, the enemy has not been taken far away. Yeah, I am not killed him. The time is also running out, and it is a far super game because it makes us to taste everyone. That is the main thing in this game. See here, I cannot kill him far away. That's all. Time over. So like this game is, and here are the money levels, and also this is the gold coins, and this is the energy which we needed for this one, shooting this one. 2 energy is wasted in every mission, so I cannot kill him. And I got a money of 189. Accuracy is 81.8%. Headshots I shot 3, and the maximum combo is 3. That is, I had shot 3 persons in headshot. There are more chapters like this till chapter 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. As you can see here, this is the 14th chapter and this is the final chapter. This is a nice game, I would say, and it is a new arrival in Play Store which had gone up to 1 million, and I also got another prize. I'll check that one. Here are the achievements column. We can collect our bonus. Total bullets used is 100, so I'll get money, I think so. You collect. No? Yeah, I collected. This I think so, silencer, I think so. I don't know what is it. I completed 2 achievement out of 60. See here. These are silver, bronze, silver and gold. And this is the endless mode. We can unlock it only on level 5, and this is the story mode. And in the settings, we can adjust the sound volume and this one. That's all. This is the hands-on overview for this Modern Sniper, and I'll also be doing a full review on this Modern Sniper game. So subscribe me for more videos like this, and I'll be doing more gaming and apps review. And I'll also be doing some videos about HCL MeWe 3 tab. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.